what we're gonna do with this? Oh, stop. Sure, we're gonna pour it over here so it kind of comes in like this. So
Oh yes.
All the stuff that you might have left off. All right. Looks good, doesn't it?
There's some white sugar on it.
Mm.
But I do. I like every kind of sugar.
All right, now this is what we're gonna do.
I like brown sugar and white sugar.
Look at this, guys. See this sauce? This is brown sugar
Brown sugar,
and some butter.
butter.
We'll pour this over it. Look.
Hooray! It's actually like syrup.
It does kind of look like syrup.
I don't like syrup.
You feel like it's not sticky.
That just makes it sweet.
Yep, makes it real sweet. Get around the edges. Right around there. Okay. Now we're gonna cook it for how long?
30 minutes.
30 minutes.